Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is the channel. So today I have my girlfriend box from AARP. So I'm just so excited to get into it. You don't have to be elderly to get this box. I want to say it's like $50 a quarter, but it's so full of goodies. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And of course, if you're returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. I've had a lot going on. We had to take my mom to emergency room. You know, Dennis had COVID, he's over it now, still a little bit tired. So I am so far behind in filming. I have boxes from a couple months ago, so please forgive me. So hopefully today I will catch up on most of those boxes. Again, I did cancel a lot, so I don't have as many to film as I normally do. So let's get in to this box. And I will leave a link below, so if you enjoy this box as much as I do, you can get it. So the first thing I pull out, and I'm not sure if there's a card. If there's a card, I'll find it. Is by Elizabeth Strout, Anything is Possible. And I am not sure what this book is about. It's a Pulitzer Prize winner, and I'm not sure if it's a self-help book or if it is just a regular novel. It looks like it might be a self-help book. So that's the first thing that we got. And I'm trying so hard not to use my glasses. And then Woman Travel Boldly, Our Trip DNA. So this must be some type of a DNA kit maybe. I would like to know if any of you have done your DNA. If you've looked up your family tree, done that ancestry thing. I personally have not done it, but if any of you done it, let me know. And then we have Makeup for Mature Skin. Oh, it's a Laura Geller. So I'm not sure if we have Makeup for Mature Skin in the box. And then we have the magazine with some tips in there. Oh, Blue Cocktails to Celebrate. And then there's recipes. So this is a nice little book. Another card. This might be yep, this is what's in the box. There you go. Awesome. And we have this item. I am not sure what it is. So how you all doing? You having a great summer? Kids going back to school? You finishing up your vacations? Oh, is this Visor? It's a Visor, I think. All right, we gotta get them glasses out here, sorry. So to go anywhere wonderful, this is a straw visor. And this is cute. I have to figure out how it works. So we kind of put this on, and somehow it attaches. Can you see me? There. So if you put it on normal, this would be cute to work outside. Okay. Now it's sticking to my hair. So that really is cute. I'm liking that. The next thing in this mystery box, ooh, I think it might be a pair of sunglasses. Not sure, but it feels like sunglasses. People calling. Oh, who's the name of that woman that used to wear sunglasses like this? She wore these big old sunglasses. What do you think, darlings? Can I get a blue cocktail to go with these sunglasses? I don't think they're me, but they're so cute. Nothing wrong with getting a pair of sunglasses in a subscription box, especially if they're polarized, and it comes in this cute pack. So I'm liking that. Put that with my sun visor. Oh, dropping things. And we got a soy wax candle. And I don't know anybody that gets mad at getting a candle in the box. And of course now I have to smell it. Ooh, ooh, it's like an ombre. Oh my God. It smells, it has like that clean smell, but look at, and I said, I think this is like $50 a quarter. So it's definitely well worth it. I will have to hire a maid to clean up after my mess. So let's see what it says about that. We got the straw visor, there are no prices on here, and then the sunglasses, and then the soy wax candle, and it's supposed to take your stress away. And then, something else. Now this is their summer box, so it'll probably have the summer items in here. Something else for, oh, look at that. It's like a market bag for when you go to get your fresh fruits and vegetables, which we have none out here because it's so hot. Nobody could stand to be out here. But I could put like a little inner bag in there and then just take it to the local grocery store. But if you could feel how nice and thick that is, wow, that is nice. It'll go with my hat. So we got that, and oh, we have plates, a set of 4. And I don't know if you watched my silver swag box, I'll leave the link, but we got this beautiful cooler in like a mint and white color for picnic. It was picnic in the park theme, and you can actually put these plates in there. There's different colors. We have this green and the pink and blue and a light blue. So those are nice, and they're calling them melamine plates. Okay, they're for, you know, appetizers, wine. Nancy Rounds would probably love these plates for her Wine Wednesday. Ooh, and here's another item. And this is by Laura Geller. Oh, and it's her spackle. I used to watch Laura Geller on, what was she on? QVC, Home Shopping Show. And this is way before internet and anything like that came out. And she always had her spackle on. And it was like, you know, fill in the holes. And I'm like, I have to get that stuff. And now I have it. And I'm looking at my card. I think it just might be a gift because I don't see the spackle on here. And if it's what I think it is, you just put it as like a primer on your face. And then when you put your makeup on, it just fills the holes in your face. So I'm liking that, and look at the nice size that comes in. So thank you. And then we have one more item, and this is the Slim Can Koozie. And if you notice, all their packaging matches. And you can always put this in that bag, so if you're going somewhere, you can always put it. Wow. Now this is nice. Of course, I'm gonna pop it off before I get it out. Sorry about that. So this is the Can Koozie. Now, I don't think it's a glass. I think you actually put a can in here. I don't know if it'll fit a soda can, but how beautiful is that? It's so attractive. It does say it is a, let me just double check, Slim Can Koozie. I think it's for, you know, they're coming out with these new sodas, and like the sodas with the liquor, those skinny things, and I think that's what it might be for. So it'll probably keep this from your hands getting cold. So this is just nice. So let's do a recap. This was such a great box. Let me know if you get it. Leave in the comments below. We got this slim, because they're calling it a Slim Can Koozie. We have the lovely plates that are at the bottom. This, I think, was a free item by Laura Geller, the spackle. And we have the the sunglasses. We have the book. We have the soy candle, the visor that was really nice, that straw visor, and we have the bag. And it looks like there might be, what else do we got in here? And there's some type of discount club membership for travel. So what did you think of this box? I thought it was a great box, all usable items. So if you can't use it, you can gift it to somebody else, you can gift it to a mother, you can gift it to a sister, you can gift it to a friend. But I thought this was a really great box. So leave comments below what your favorite item was. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. And we'll see you next video.